Alright, Frosty here. We're gonna do a video recap. I haven't done any of the replays because I was trying to finish up these upgrades, work on finding ways to improve the tags using the data you can get from the charts. If you come up here, you click this and you click your download chart data, you can download all the tag data and everything. Premium. So I've been messing with that ever since I got premium. So looking at going into Sunday, we've been in an trend, starting to come to an end of the uptrend possibly here. We will see. So I'm going to replay on the 15 and the 5 at the same time now. I can do that with the premium, so that should be fun. So let's get started and see what we get. Mostly going to be watching the 15. But with the 5 as well. So like right now, like I see right off the bat we got a purple 5, but it's purple. It's got boosts, it's got downgrades. Everything happens with a big candle like this pretty much. But on the 15, that's very indecisive, so and this is saying up. The CMI is pointing up pretty heavily. Even though we're getting tags, same thing here, we just got a confirm tag there, but primo trend reversal. Just because it's purple doesn't mean it's good. As long as the CMI is working against you, here's where I might think more about taking it. Starting to roll over here, be oversold, kind of moving down here. Biggest issue is we've moved above here. We've been in this uptrend. We moved above this pivot. Now we broke the pivot, that's good. Another purple scalp tag. Moving up really hard in the 15-minute CMI, which is why I don't like it. Coming down a little. I'll take it here. Sell. Stop loss. Take profit. Little trade. I might go actually for the trend line. Move it. Oh, okay. No. How about if I move it here? Tricked you. Okay. Let's see what happens. Oh, shit. That went through my stop loss and didn't trigger it. Is it triggering it if it's not on this level? I don't know what's going on. It's like not triggering on that chart. Gold up. We can boost it up on the 5. Yeah, on this trade. Oh, there's a primo tag now. Lots of chop. But looking overall at the CMI, regardless of the tags, we moved up and we're rolling over. Made higher, lower highs. Right here we made higher highs. 15's still kind of bullish. Yeah. I'll try again here. Pulling back in. This reversal candle. Gold. Oh, stop. Okay. Well, that's a hell of a candle. Damn, I guess I should have set a take profit down there. Fucking huge moves. Alright. Kind of feel like I should take profit here. How about we trim one? Give it one more bar. That's a pretty good bounce signal. Let's move our stop down here. Yeah. Okay, on for the next trade. Let's see. This is all kind of choppy. It's all Asia session. Really moving down here hard on the CMI. Now we broke VWAP. Oversold at the main pivot. Still moving down. Moving down on this. Give it another bar. Keep going. Yeah, there's probably a bounce down there. Close that one. Work on the low, higher time frame for some reason. Okay. Oh, gold primo reversal tag. Light yellow. Trend boost. It's on the right side of the MA. That doesn't really mean much. Reversal boost. I like taking them at the main pivot like this. 15's still pointing down, so I'm not gonna take it. See, now this just switched from bullish to bearish. I mean, bearish to bullish, because this one right here, bearish to bullish. So now I'm actually looking for a tag. Getting some buy bubbles, market order bubbles. Moving up. Now we're moving not only above 9, but above the 20. See, so now we got multiple upgrades. Now we get the pivot and the main in the way. I'll still buy. I'll look for entry to add more. Didn't get one. Oh, here we go. Now we have an entry for more. Wait for it to actually bounce though. Alright, there we go. CMI bounced. Let's buy 2 more. This is midnight. Terrible time. Yeah. Shouldn't be involved in the market right now, most likely. I'm going to set take profit up here. This says stop loss here. Just break even. See what happens. Move that up. Just gonna take this off. 336. I'm gonna kind of skip through some of this time. This is not great time to take tags. You can, but midnight to 3, these caution, you get caution time. These are caution times. They don't work for very big moves most of the time. You know, this boosted tag here, you get nothing. I think one would have worked out, but it's hit or miss whether or not it's going to work. And there's no real point to doing that. Killing ourselves, trying to take every tag. Wait through these caution times. I'm gonna look for the better tags and I'm gonna try and take those. Just chop it. Just tag after tag. Now we're getting some gold pushing up. We got some dark blue pushing up. These are usually good signs. I mean, it's happening in chops, so some of these upgrades can be exaggerated. You know, a 2 times CMI candle right now isn't very big compared to New York or a lot of times. So, but let's give it a shot. Got some good upward momentum. Against this area, basically kind of ranging, but in an upward way at this point. So you can see that these are getting upgraded as they bounce off of these EMA clouds and the nothing trail line. That's the main reason these are getting these upgrades. You know, right side of the VWAP, EMA 20, um, you know, and your continuation boost, the trail touch, the super trail behind. Um, all that stuff, and then happening on high volume. So that's why you're getting these dark gold tags for these. Um, Working with the trend. We're coming into 9 o'clock, so I didn't realize we were getting so late. Should probably taken those off, but that's alright. We'll let this play out a little more. Looks like we're going down now. Okay. Yeah, this feels like this data. Is this 9:30? Okay, this is just New York Open. Okie dokie. Let's take this off and see what happens. Money, it's up against resistance here, up against these tags. There's no point in keeping this on right now. We can let New York Open play out for a second. Right now, pointing up at the 5 minutes, already getting oversold. Yep, tags on the top and the bottom. Terrible. This must have been one of the bad weeks for the CMI. This is not, so many tags, so many bad tags. Just too much noise. It needs to be moving more to really, capture divergences. Otherwise, it sees in every bar. Yeah, we're bought. Nothing really here. I mean, you could short off that 310, 3010. The CMI is still moving up on the 15. You can see on this, it's bullish. Even if you're looking at the 5, even though it's dropping hard, the CMI is bullish. Even though the 5 minutes dropping pretty hard. I don't know. That's a hard number to break through, though. Still not time to take a trade yet, I don't think. So yeah, you would have got that confirm on here at 9:29, and then you could have taken it for 100 points. But I missed it. That's okay. I don't gotta take every tag or every trade. Just gotta take a few. Not take the bad ones. And then a little here on the 5. keep getting divergences right here. Well, we had a divergence and we keep getting rejections off of where we had this big divergence. And you can see the 5 is moving down, 15 is starting to move down. I don't like this, even though it broke above this. It looks like it's going to pull back in. Using it as support for now. Alright, pull back in. Now the nothing trail line is holding it up. Get this red tag as one continuation boost of high volume, one structure boost, which is the fixed level behind risk. So that's this LE2 is behind risk, so up here behind the way you want price to move, which is a good thing. But it has the price on the wrong side of the nothing of the EMA and a nothing trail line ahead, which is a downgrade. It's on the wrong side of the EMA. The EMAs are pretty much going sideways. So I'm more inclined to think this is going to go down. Let's see another bar though. See, this is where I would be inclined to start looking to short. Based on us getting multiple tags on the 5. This tag up here. This rolling down. This moving down. That's not a great move for us, but we will sell one more. And we will set our stop loss up here. Alright, now I got a gold tag on the 5. This blue tag was already invalidated. Despite the combo boost, it's got some downgrades and it's right against the nothing level and a lot of resistance here, so more inclined to believe this one for some reason. I'm gonna let it play out though. I don't need to add any more. These volume pivots are usually decent resistance, but the CMI is moving down here. Now we got a purple big tag. Oh, that's noon. I do like that. Alright. It did bounce off there again. Let's see if we get another push up. No, we didn't. Alright, I'm gonna sell one more. Oh, there's my push up. Let's take profit here. View up. Alright. We'll wait for another entry. Okay. Now we've got some tags. Scalp tag pushed above. Got some upgrades and some downgrades, which took away any upgrade or downgrade color. They balanced out. Same here. Crossed above the nothing level. I'm going to take one more bar and see if we get a pullback. Actually, no, what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy here. Buy one. Here, we'll buy one. And we'll see if we get filled. One. It's seeming like we might not get much more out of this. Why does it not work? Okay, well, it looks like now we are going to get more, so I'm going to move this up a little bit more. Moving up. And we can cancel these orders. Nope, not on there. Maybe. Come on, cancel. Cancel. There you go. Okay. Let's see. Stop loss. Why does it not stop out? Stupid. Okay. Now we're entering into the dark time. We're just gonna close it. Alright. Well, something. So, looks like that was our first day. God, that was fucking long, wasn't it? 22 minutes. Holy shit. Alright. We're gonna have to speed this puppy up. 11 out of 12 trades profitable though. Jesus. Okay, not bad. Alright, let's fucking go. Da, 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 da. Faster on the 15. Now we're getting like no divergence tags. Oh, there we go. There's one. Already invalidated. Yeah, bouncing off of there. It's not bad. It's at the VWAP though. It's not a good place to take it. Ooh, blue combo boost. Alright, we'll try it. Combo boost, I think. Ah, failure. First one to failure was light blue. One combo boost. CMI power. Has multiple other boosts. So. Terrible. Oh well, can't win them all. Ugh, why did you do that? Here, come there. Another one. Remote trend reversals though. Now we got a blue combo boost going down in the right direction with the trend. Although volume pivots. Time we got here. Two of them. See how that goes. Do a stop loss. Reel up here. And around this main pivot's terrible as well. tags. Move up here. Start to move up a bit on the 15. Let's see if we can profit on this down here. Should take. Alright, I'm just gonna take this off here because I don't know what it's doing. It's chopping around. It's a terrible time of night. We're at the main pivot. It's about to be midnight. Main pivot's about to be around the main pivot. Okay, now we got just a straight up primo trend reversal. Some caution time tags, you know? Now we get a dark orange, gold one. That's pretty good. 15 still showing down overall. Let's try it. Damn. Looks like we're coming down. Man. And we got this 15 down here. Primo trend reverse boost. I'm liking it more and more. Getting multiple tags here at the same floor level on multiple time frames. You can see it's curling up now. Ah, too early. Feeling we're gonna get a couple more tags here at some point soon. I'll see. That's what I like to see right here. See this CMI candle? 2 times the size, at over 2 times the size, the average size. That's a pretty good bounce after you've got these reversal signals. And it happened right off of LE0, pushed up through the trend line. Now I think we're going. I will try to get another one here. And let's do another one here. Trying to get some better entries on some of these. Might lose out on some profit, it looks like. Man, primo on that one. Looks like a good move. Alright. Let's see what happens on this pullback. I'm trying to add more. No pullback. Alright, I'm gonna add one more anyway. Should get at least 276 here. These 15-minute tags. Not loving the trade so much anymore. Yeah. Off here. See what happens. If we don't break above this 683, be looking short. Having trouble breaking this volume. Less volume below. Looks like we're rolling over to move down. Start looking short. Lots of chop. That's why these tags have cautions on them. You just get chopped out, man. Even on the 15, fairly choppy. When you get this confirmed, you're up here. Just choppy. Not the best time of day to be trying to take these things. Sometimes it is, when it's not being choppy. There definitely have been lots of good overnight Asia sessions, London sessions, or whatever else. Purple tag 2 now. Let's add one more. We're on the right side of the trend line, moving down. It should at least come down for that 557, I think. Ugh, damn it, that was the wrong way. Alright, let's get back in the trade. Take profit, goes down there, not the stop loss. Ah, no, it's not gold. Main pivot in front of it, the trend line. It's taking another bar. It's pointing up hard. I don't like it no more. What time of day? Okay. More bar. I get a pullback here. Get out. Alright, there we go. Get out. It's not gonna work. Sell the freaking even probably would have worked. Alright, now I'm looking at long here off of this main pivot. 15-minute tag. Damn. Now we get a blue. Nothing over here. Still pointing up a little bit. Coming down. No. Damn. Alright. Definitely lost some this time. So total BNL. Damn. Terrible day. Just such a good one yesterday. Pretty much just Asia. I've been killing my fucking profits. Alright, so let's skip ahead. Alright, now we are into New York session. We're pointing down. Tags, we're very oversold. We look like we're reversing. This looks like we are heading down. We had that blue tag up there, which means we're probably going down quite a bit. And some cells up here. So 15 minutes pointing straight down, pretty much. 5 minutes pointing straight down, finally off of oversold. This is starting to get oversold. Still go further. This is some strong numbers to get through. Yes, it worked. Bounced off of that. We'll bring our stop limit down here. Keep sliding it down. This is purple. This is still within good time frame. Right? No. There it goes. Alright, now we got a big one pushing up off of this level. Get the nothing trail line in the way. And this volume here. It's a tough one. Rejecting the trend line, which is where this volume is. I want to see it push above first or pull back. There's your yellow down. 15's moving up. It's trying to move up through there. That's pretty convincing. It's pretty convincing move up. Damn, should have had my take profit set there. I think we get view up, honestly. But okay, now we're getting a rollover at this big volume point. Got gold tags because these are going with the trend. So depending, if we go with the trend, these tags are the ones that are the right. If we go against the trend and reversal, this one's right. We're against this pivot area, so we gotta see if we push through. We got a lot of resistance up here. So likely spot would be down. but we are heading into the end of the day as well. These tags work much better in New York Open. Afternoon, they work a lot less because you tend to get a lot more. Yeah, there we go, down. Get a little bit of movement off of this. We'll set our profit at that 328, and we'll trail our stop loss. Oh, I didn't trail it there. Boom. And we kept going through it. We bounced off of it. Chop. That's a pretty nice gold tag. Still kind of early in the day. Let's take early in the late part, I guess. A little late to the party here. Alright, pretty much closing time. Alright. Well, it's a 42-minute video right there. That's only a couple of days, so I'm gonna call it here. Fucker. Thank you. I'm gonna call it here for this video, and I'll keep going into a next video, but I have to take a break for a minute. So you can see we came back, drawed down a lot that day. So, you know, the days when it works better, and the days when it really doesn't. But this is all pretty much Asia. I should have just skipped through Asia, just taken the New York sessions. So maybe I'll do that coming up in the next video. But yeah, there's your basic information and stats in case you want to know. Factors. Benchmarking. So 38 total trades. But we'll continue this in the next video.